List T consists of 30 positive decimals, none of which is an integer. The sum of the 30 decimals in the list is equal to S. The estimated sum of the 30 decimal E is defined as follows. Each decimal in T whose 10th digit is even is rounded up to the nearest integer. So what is the meaning of it is that if you have a number, let us say 0.8, then it becomes 1 because the 10th digit is even. The 10th digit, let me also explain one thing very quickly. If we have a number ABC.DEF, then D is called the 10th digit, E is called the 100th digit, and F is called the 1000th digit, C is called the units place, B is called the tens place. So understand, if we have TH here, that means we are looking at the digit after the decimal. So 0.8 becomes 1, 0.6 becomes 1, 0.4 becomes 1, and 0.2 also becomes 1, because every even 10th decimal digit means we have to round it up. Now the next thing is, and each decimal in T whose 10th digit is odd, that means 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9, they have to be rounded down. That means they will be 0 in a way, right? Now, which of the following is the possible value of E minus S? Now, to answer this question in one step, what we can do is we can find the range of E minus S. To find the range of E minus S, we need to find the maximum value of E and the minimum value of E, because S is constant. Now, we also have been given that if 1/3 of the decimals in the T have 10th digit, that is even. So we have 30 numbers in total, and 1/3, that means 10 of them have even 10th digit and 20 of them have odd 10th digit. Now let's quickly calculate that E maximum. When will E be maximum? E will be maximum when the round up is greater and round down is minimal. Because when we round down a number, then we lose some part of the number. When we round up, then we gain some additional number. For example, if we round up 0.8, then we are gaining 0.2. If we are rounding up 0.6, then we are gaining 0.4. And in rounding down, we are losing these decimals. 0.9 is also becoming 0. Now, if we have to maximize it, then in that case, round up should be maximized and round down should be minimized. So maximum round up can be when a number has 0.2 at the 10th place, right? Because we have 10 such numbers, so the total round up will be 10 multiplied by 0.8, because every round up, maximum round up, is equal to 0.8, and for 10 numbers it's 10 into 0.8. Now round down means the loss of the number. So how much are we losing here rounding down? The minimum round down will be when the 10th digit is 1, because in that case we lose only 0.1 in each number. But since we have 20 odd numbers, so the total amount lost is 20 multiplied by 0.1. The rounded down part is 0.1 when it's minimum. Now, so this becomes 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. That means E max is equal to 6. Now let's also quickly calculate E minimum. That means estimated value minimum. For the minimum estimated value, the rounding up should be minimized and rounding down should be maximized, because now we are looking forward to minimum estimated value. So round up is minimum. Round up minimum can be seen in 0.8, because when we have 10th digit 0.8, then the round up that we get is only we gain 0.2 in rounding up. But since we have 10 such numbers, so the total round up will be 10 multiplied by 0.2, and we have 20 odd 10th place numbers, and the maximum round down will be the case when maximum round down will be when the 10th digit is 0.9, because in that case the total round down in one number will be 0.9. So in 20 numbers, the total round down will be 20 multiplied by 0.9. Now if we calculate it, this becomes 2 minus 20 times 9, that is 18, is equal to minus 16. So now we can see that the maximum value E max can go up to 6, E minimum can go up to 16. That means the difference of E minus S can range from minus 16 to plus 6, but nothing beyond. So minus 16 is acceptable, 6 is acceptable, but 10 is not acceptable. Therefore, the answer to the question will be B option, which is first and second only. I hope you enjoyed learning this method. Thank you so much.